Good morning, children. This is Shoaib speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 9, exercise 9.5. As of now, we have completed all the question number 1. And here in this video, I'm going to explain about some very important portion of the concept of algebraic expression or algebra, that is about identity. What is that concept? That is called identity. Question is, sir, what is identity? Identities are kind of a formula like taken after lots of observation by mathematicians dealing with while they have dealt with algebraic expressions, they came to a conclusion by considering some identities. So those identities here in this video I'm gonna explain to you all. So what is the first identity? The identity is x plus a into x plus b. Children, in the previous video I had explained about the identity of a plus b whole squared, then a minus b whole square, then a square minus b squared. So apart from this, it is something which is very new to us, that is about x plus a into x minus x plus b, x plus a into x plus b. So the identity is x square plus in bracket a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Now question comes, sir, what is a and what is b? A and b can be any values, any numeric values, okay, any positive integer, okay, and the x is something which can also represent a value. So it doesn't matter that the value of x should be given or the value of a and b should be given. It can be in any form. If it looks like x plus a into x plus b, we will just simply take them to the identity x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Another identity that is about I can give you, that is x minus a into x minus b. So children, this identity is about x square then minus in bracket b plus a x multiplied by x plus ab. Alright, so the identity is x square minus b plus a into x plus ab. Alright, so this is very simple. This is how we have to we have to find out the value of the the expressions. So with these two identities, let us start first. More identities are there, more will be explained. The first question is x plus 3 into x plus 7. So here children, a means 3, b means 7. Let us calculate this one with identity. Identity is x square plus a plus b means 3 plus 7, because here a means 3, b means 7, multiplied by x plus ab means 3 into 7. ab means a into b. So in the place of a into b, we are writing 3 into 7. So let us solve it. X square will be appearing with x square. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10x plus 3 sevens are 21. So the identity is x square plus 10x plus 21. This is only our answer. Now a question may arouse in your mind, that so if you break this answer further, what gonna happen? If you break this like the last portion of this solution, you will get the question in written. Means this will come under like a property called middle term calculation. Then again it will be brought back to the previous form from where we have started. So need not to do. We'll just simply leave our answer in this form, x square plus 10x plus 21, like that. Let's try the next one. I believe it will be more clear to you all. The next one is 4x plus 5 and 4x plus 1. So children, here x means 4x, a means 5, b means 1. So the calculation with the identity will be x square means 4x whole square, because here x means 4x, plus in bracket it is a plus b means 5 plus 1 multiplied by x matlab 4x, plus ab matlab 5 into 1. Just simply the identity we are writing over here. 4x whole square matlab 16x square, plus 5 plus 1 is 6 into 4x is 24x, because 5 plus 1 6 into 4 is 24, x is side, so 24x plus 5 ones are 5. That is only our answer. We cannot break it further. If you break it further, the question will be returned as question, as answer. So this is why we have to leave the answer like that only. Next one is question number 3 is 4x minus 5 then 4x minus 1. Okay children, so the identity of x minus a into x minus b is x square matlab 4x whole square minus, in bracket we have b minus b plus a, so b means x plus 5 outside multiplied by 4x. Okay, then we have plus a into b matlab 1 into 5 or 5 into 1, same only. So 4x whole square matlab 16x square minus 5 plus 1 6 into 2 4x is 24x, and aside plus 5 ones are 5. That is only our answer. I believe it's absolutely clear to everyone. If no, then please let me know. Drop your queries in the comment section, and please try out the sums which I have explained in this video in your classwork copy, and do submit this work in the Google Classroom positively. Hope you all have understood. If no, then please feel free to ask. Feel free to ask for help. I'll be surely helping. Like by explaining these questions to you all. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.